Hello, I am Rahul Jograna and welcome to very fast tutorial on the HTML and CSS part series. As we know, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A hypertext is simply a piece of text that works as a plain. Basically, an HTML document is a plain text file compiled by web browser. It contains rich text, and rich text means text with a text. So let's start with HTML. We are using Sublime Text Editor for writing a HTML file. Here you can see I am using Sublime as a text editor, and here is a link how can you download for it. So here is a link www.sublimetext.com. Here is a link for downloading and click OK. You can choose your own of the platform for writing a HTML5. I am using Windows for my HTML writing. So click here Windows. I am already installed Sublime Text in my machine, so I am not downloading it right now. You can download from here. Okay, so let's start with the HTML. So I am writing Sublime Text 2. And you can see here my Sublime is open. So let's starting with the first file, and you can see here file, new, and you can select a type of page you want to type or develop. Here I am selecting a HTML for HTML. So let's start. So every HTML elements are written in your HTML tag. Here is a HTML. You can see here a opening HTML and it is a closing HTML. So every HTML is written in HTML tags. Next is a head for header. I'm showing how header is used. Next is title for showing a title on our web page. I am using first page test, and here body. The body is the main part for showing the content, real content on your web pages, and opening and closing. Oh sorry, body. And simple h1 tag for showing a very high scale text file. So I am writing a heading tag. So let's save it, and how to run it. We can save, and you can save with the I am recommended to save your project in your own of the folder. So here I am creating a folder which name is HTML files, and double click. Here you can see HTML file, and extension is HTML, 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 and also. So I am write the first page .html, or you can ignore it. So I am written .html, save it, and how to run it, just click right click and open browser, and here you can see my first web page is on the way. You can see this is our heading part which I are discussing here, heading. So here is a head. The title is first page, and you can see in our browser the first page is a title, and also a heading tag which is here. So you can see source file of this page. So here is how to show. Just click inspect element, or say Google. You can click here. I am just copying this file. Here you can see our HTML path is here. File C user Rahul desktop HTML files and first page.html. This is the location of our first HTML paths. And now you can click right click and view page source, and you can see what's good about our web page's codes. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like on and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.